No, the Sadducees did not rebuild the third temple because they ceased to exist after the destruction of the second temple in 70 CE. The modern Red Heifer Project is a contemporary initiative by Jewish and Christian Zionist groups for an anticipated future temple, and its connection to the Sadducees is inaccurate, as their doctrines, particularly their denial of the afterlife and angels, differed significantly from those involved in the contemporary Red Heifer Project. Sadducees in the temple. Extinction of the group. The Sadducees were a political and religious faction whose power and existence were tied to the temple and its rituals. After the Roman destruction of the temple in 70 CE, the Sadducees as a group disappeared from history, making it impossible for them to have rebuilt the temple. Doctrinal differences. The Sadducees were a conservative sect that held beliefs contrasting with the Pharisees and, by extension, modern groups interested in a future temple. Their core beliefs included a denial of the resurrection of the dead, a spirit realm, and angels. The Red Heifer Project and the Third Temple. 1. Contemporary Project. The modern Red Heifer Project refers to efforts by ultra-nationalist Jewish organizations and Christian Zionists to find or raise a perfectly red heifer. 2. Purpose of the project. The primary goal is to use the heifer's ashes for the purification rites necessary to allow for the rebuilding of a third temple and for the ritual purity of priests who would serve in it. And 3. Doctrinal divergence from Sadducees. The beliefs motivating the Red Heifer Project are not Sadducean. The project is part of a wider movement connected to prophecies concerning the end times and the coming Messianic era, a concept that aligns with Christian eschatology and certain interpretations of Jewish prophecy, but not the ancient Sadducean worldview.